everyone, it's Liesl for Money Done Right, and today I'm here to talk to you about a fabulous app that's going to drop you right into the rewards lane on the vast internet shopping highway. It's called Drop, which makes sense because I just made that lame joke. Everybody loves Raymond, but more specifically to this app review video, everybody loves shopping rewards apps. But with so many options out there, dang it, it's hard to know which one's right for you. Drop is a rewards app that takes the hassle out of earning points on the things you already buy every day. Drop's founders wanted to make shopping more rewarding for consumers, whether you're a casual shopper or have multiple store credit cards. The company was created with millennials in mind, and by understanding their shopping trends, the creators developed an app that's rewarding for all consumers. Yay! Drop allows shoppers to earn real rewards without the need to incur debt or additional interest charges. And it's been featured as a top lifestyle app for multiple years in a row. Wahoo! Want to get in on all this super good shopping action? Click the Money Done Right link below to download Drop, and come on back as I walk you through all the steps. So, now that you're ready to start learning and earning, Drop recently reached the top 3 in the lifestyle category for Apple devices, and over 1 million users are registered, and that number continues to climb. The Drop app is incredibly simple and straightforward to use, and by partnering with top retailers around the world, Drop allows you to earn points when you make purchases using your linked debit and credit cards. Once you're all signed up, Drop will monitor and confirm your purchases and reward you with points. Another great thing about Drop is that similar apps usually require you to upload receipts after every purchase in order to redeem their rewards. This is a time-consuming and boring process because if your receipt isn't digitally emailed to you, it can be super easy to misplace a printed receipt. And come on, it's never convenient to upload a picture of the receipt immediately after purchasing something. No! Drop eliminates the need to upload receipts, which means that you get your rewards faster and you'll get them every time you shop. Regardless of where you earn your points, you'll be able to redeem rewards as soon as you have points in your balance. And here's yet another super cool thing about Drop. You get rewarded virtually anywhere you shop. Drop knows that we shop around to get the best deals. While traditional rewards programs focus on customer loyalty and shopping repeatedly at the same place, Drop rewards you virtually anywhere you make purchases. So, how do you use Drop? Well, you'll be happy to hear that it's incredibly straightforward and simple. The first step is to download Drop, which you can do by using our super handy Money Done Right link below. Then all you have to do is link the debit and credit cards that you use to shop. And do not worry, Drop uses 256-bit encryption to protect your sensitive information, so all your private info is absolutely safe at all times. Next, you'll pick your top 5 favorite brands, and new offers will populate your home page based on this selection. If your favorites change, you can always browse the offers in the Drop app to take advantage of rewards offers at your new favorite businesses. There are also plenty of ways to earn additional points, such as by referring your friends and family and through bonus offers. Each person who signs up through your personal referral link earns you a whopping 1,000 points. And new bonus offers will populate regularly, so be sure to check the app and take advantage of all these awesome offers when they appear. Now, once you select your bonus offers or refer your friends and families, you'll be taken to the home page where you can review your recommended offers, browse other offers, and check your account balance. In addition to finding shopping offers through Drop, you can also select LinkedIn and mobile offers, adding even more ways to earn points with Drop. Drop also partners with Carrot Rewards and Rocket Miles. And by linking those accounts to Drop, you'll earn even more points. Cha-ching! When you begin shopping, Drop will analyze your purchase information and then reward you. No uploading receipts, no confirming purchases. You're already shopping, so why not let Drop reward you for doing so? Easy peasy. You'll be able to browse shopping offers at tons of your favorite stores. And when you meet the criteria for a specific offer, points will be loaded into your account within a week. Keep earning points by shopping like you already do. And keep on checking the app to claim even more awesome offers and rewards. And now, the most exciting part of using Drop, redeeming those rewards. Woo! For every 5,000 points you receive, you'll be able to convert them into a $5 gift card. Nice. You'll get varying points for every shopping offer you redeem. And when you link multiple cards, holy moly, will your points start to add up quickly. As soon as the points are deposited into your Drop account, you can use them to redeem rewards and receive discounted merchandise at some of your favorite stores and restaurants. Now, be sure to check the rewards store frequently as prizes and rewards are updated regularly. You'll be able to add and remove your debit and credit cards as needed, so you can always stay on top of your rewards. The app's straightforward and easy to navigate interface also allows you to quickly check your points balance as well as use those points in the Drop app store. Okay, we know that all this talk of redeeming rewards is making you raring to get going, so sign up for Drop now already by using our link below. Then, once you're signed up, you'll see that businesses are using Drop as a way to reach new customers. So these companies create Drop-specific offers in order to compete for your business. How cool is that? The Drop platform forces businesses to compete with one another for your business in a way that hasn't been seen before. Stores and restaurants are constantly tailoring new offers and rewards specifically for the Drop app, meaning you'll be able to get some great rewards when you select and complete an offer. When you do so, Drop then gets a small percentage of the sale for connecting the customer with the business. Businesses then get new customers and consumers get rewarded for their shopping, making this a win-win for everyone involved. So, what businesses will you find on the Drop app? Well, you'll be happy to hear that Drop partners with some of the top companies in the world, such as, have you heard of them? Amazon, Uber, Jet, Target, and Starbucks, in addition to new, up-and-coming, smaller businesses that you may not have heard of yet, but you'll be really glad you did by using the Drop app. These partners are able to use Drop as an effective marketing tool and create rich engagement between consumers and businesses. Like I said before, it is a total win-win. So, here's a question. Is Drop legit or a scam? Drop is a very unique shopping reward program because it allows you to easily browse offers and redeem rewards while doing the shopping you are already going to do. Okay, so Drop rewards are very generous, making it easy to rack up thousands of points, sounds like Vegas, in a single shopping trip. While that makes it sound like it very well could be a scam, we are here to tell you that Drop is a completely legitimate company that has rewarded countless consumers for their everyday shopping. It's legit. Yay! So, in conclusion, here at Money Done Right, we love Drop. The rewards are generous, there are countless stores to choose from, and the app is one of the best we have used. Make sure to sign up by clicking the link below if you haven't already. But before I go, have you tried Drop or do you have any questions? If so, come on, let us know in the comment section below. We want to hear from you guys. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to Money Done right here on YouTube, so you'll be notified every time we upload a new video that will help you save and earn money. Thanks for watching. Oh, and now in honor of the awesome rewards app Drop, it's mic drop time. Yeah, bye.